Hello friends, let us understand some animation properties related to CSS. I am going to animate a car using CSS and HTML. Let us download some images of road, car and its tires and prepare a scene, and then we'll animate the scene. So here I am searching for a proper image for a road, and I am searching for a side view of a road. Let us save it. Now let's search for the car that we are going to animate. I am going to make its background transparent and I am removing its tires from the image. Let us also search for the image of tires and make that transparent too. You can use the same website if necessary. And I'm keeping all this in one folder. Let us create a HTML file and create a basic structure. I'm using image tag to include all images and giving a separate ID to uniquely identify all the elements. As we can see, all the images are now on the browser screen. We are using external CSS here. I am using absolute positioning for our images and trying to align the images with the use of top and left property. We can reduce the width if needed. Now, after trying all the combination, the car is properly set, and let us give the background to the scene. I have used image in the background as well as a background color in the body. We will animate this car in next video. Thank you.